Welcome to the most comprehensive course on building an actual AI-infused app with Claude code. Now, the service we're building is called Landscaip. It allows homeowners and landscapers alike to quickly snap pictures on the exterior of a house, and with the help of Google's Nano Banana 2, quickly and easily sculpt and craft the exterior and what the actual landscaping could look like. Now, the reason I say this is the most comprehensive course is simply because I am covering every step of the process. From branding and identity design to setting up Claude code, authentication, integrating Stripe billing, elevating the standard cookie cutter looking AI vibe design looking layouts into something that's way more unique. We are covering it all. Now, right now, as of March 23rd, 2026, we are in the early access period, meaning I'm currently actively recording this course. Now, there's already 2+ hours, but within about the next 2 to 3 weeks max, it will be finished. So if you join during this little early access period, you're gonna get 30% off. Now, it would be really boring for you to follow along and copy the same exact idea. So using the same process like with Nano Banana 2, I've come up with a bunch of other ideas that you can go ahead and follow with your own SaaS that are adjacent, kind of using the same technology stack so that you're not just simply copying exactly what I'm doing. So the goal by the end of the course is you have something that you've built, but also it gives you the confidence and the understanding of a workflow that you can use that combines both AI and also hand-driven skills in order to fully deploy, create, etc., your own AI-infused SaaS. So I hope to see you join.